A lot of guys have been asking about this. This is the Logiq airbag system. It looks a little bit different than the traditional airbags that are out there with its dual bag setup. This one here is for a Super Duty behind me. For the 1500 trucks, the smaller trucks, they do have a single bag system that's available. So we're gonna start over here, the main part of this system. This is the Logiq dual bag setup. You're gonna get more support out of this system, able to do 6,400 pounds at 150 PSI. That's a ton of added weight carrying capacity. The double bag system is gonna spread out the load, being more secure, safer, and less wear and tear on the whole system. Next up, the boost tank. This is not required, but a lot of guys like to run this. This is gonna allow the bags to fill up faster. You can also run other accessories like an air horn or your inflation system for your tires. Over here, I have the HD2 air system. They do have an HD1 and an SD1. Now, the HD and the SD are gonna represent what compressor it comes with. There's a standard duty and a heavy duty compressor. And then the 1 or the 2 is gonna represent how many channels are coming off of that air compressor. So the 2 has 2 individual channels. That's gonna allow you to fill up either side of the truck individually. In case you have a little bit of a load that's off balance, you can add more air to one side or the other. But to take it one step further on this Super Duty, I've gone with the S&B F-Top U airbag mounting kit. Instead of using the U-bolts that comes with this kit, it has a plate that's gonna mount to the top of the leaf spring. So you can see I've already got the lower mount portion attached to the leaf spring with the lower mounting point of the S&B F-Top U kit. And again, we are running a BDS system on this truck, so it does have the lift block. It's not gonna affect anything when it comes to the blocks. As long as you have factory width leaf springs, it should work. What's gonna happen, we're gonna take the airbag system, we're gonna bolt it to this plate, and this is gonna sit right on top here. It's gonna mount something in just like that. Super easy, very secure, clean, and it puts the weight right over the top of the leaf spring. This is the way to go if you've got a Ford Super Duty. More secure, cleaner install, safer. It's gonna look great, it's gonna work great. If you're looking for an airbag system, we have a lot of great options, but check out this Logiq system as well.